Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So viewers, in this video I will show you how to download and install Boom 3D for your devices. So guys, you can download Boom 3D for your Mac operating system and Windows operating system. So we will go to our browser and search here Boom 3D and search area and open this website globaldelight.com. Open this and after that the system wide WordPress 3D surround experience at home. Okay, if you download purchase here, you can 50% off for a limited time. Its concession is for a limited time. Okay, so guys, if you want to download free trial for your Mac operating system, then you can download from here. Okay, and then if you if you want to download trial for Windows, click here, and if you want to download for your what's name is Windows purchase, select here, and because of site has detected no Mac operating system, so it has been not selected provided the Mac button. Okay, so we will download purchase from here. We will download, and first off we will know about it. Okay, why is Boom 3D is unique. Okay, with its innovative 3D audio technology, Boom 3D can completely transform the way to listen music. So this is a feature you can read here. Okay, after that, the screenshots and videos of the working software of your PC or Mac operating system. These are the other language something is written. Okay, we will try to download free trial for our Mac or what's name is Windows. So I have Windows operating system, so I will try to download for our Windows here. Okay, free trial for our PC. Okay, and after that you can see the download has been started. You can see here the what's name is Google PPC. Just wait for a while. You can see the internet connection is slow of my PC. Okay, shortly okay, you can see here, and if not started, click here. Now this installer has been started to be downloaded. You can see here, and we will try to show in folder. No, it's not completely downloaded. Just wait for it. It is about 1 hour to be download. Okay, because of the low internet access on my PC. Okay, so download here in this way, and after 50% off on purchase Boom 3D if you buy right now for a limited, because of the limited time. Okay, so it will download in a few hours because of slow internet access. You can, after that we will try to install into our PC, run it as administrator, and install. After installation we will open it and play the software for PC. Okay, so you can guys also download and install Boom 3D software for your PC, Mac or Windows operating system in this way. And thank you so much for watching my video. I would show the how to install into your PC, but cannot show you because of the slow internet access, and it will take about 1 hour to be download. Okay, you can see here the so we will skip it, and that is the easy step to install it. That is not too much difficult. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.